Thank you, Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the court. It sounds like the court has a pretty good handle on the issues, so why don't I just start by addressing why are we on this side of the lectern instead of the other. The bottom line is that we just look at Yearsley and everything I think we said in our brief there. We said a suit can't be maintained. We're talking about liability. We look at Yearsley. We do think it's a rule about liability and a defense to liability, and then we're just trying to be faithful agents of this court's collateral order jurisprudence, which suggests that when you have a standard defense to liability, even if it's important, even if it would mean that you have to suffer through a trial that had the motion to dismiss been granted, you wouldn't have had to suffer through, that is still not the kind of order that is immediately appealable as a final decision under Section 1291. And to be clear, we agree with petitioner that the defense is critical to our efforts, and a lot of what petitioner says in its briefs and a lot of what its amici say about the cost of liability and what that can do to the amount the government has to pay for services. We agree with that completely. We do think this is a really important defense, and if the defense were up here, we might well be on the other side of the lectern. But the only question here, as Justice Barrett indicated, was just the collateral order question, and there we think the right answer under this court's case law is that it is just like a denial of any other motion to dismiss on the merits. It's not immediately appealable. You have to wait until final judgment.
You should never oh, I'm sorry. No, please.
I was simply going to ask the question I asked earlier. What's your preferred method of disposing of this?
We think the right way to dispose of it is largely what my friend said for respondents, which is that because Yearsley reflects a defense to liability and not an immunity from even standing the burdens of trial, that it doesn't satisfy the third Cohen condition if you want to look at it doctrinally like that, and that's the most straightforward way to proceed.